Thanks for clicking on your tropical update. Tropical storm Michael just formed here in the Western Caribbean, and we are expecting the storm to strengthen into a hurricane in the next 48 hours. Here's the latest on satellite imagery. We're seeing a strengthening area of low pressure center just off of the coast of Mexico here. So the combination of this land and also some high wind shear will limit the amount which Michael can strengthen in the next 24 hours. But Michael is going to be moving into very favorable conditions here in the southern Gulf of Mexico over the next couple of days. Max sustained winds are projected to strengthen to Category 1 hurricane intensity, and many computer models, including both the American GFS model and the European model, suggest a Category 2, possibly even Category 3 major hurricane making landfall here in the Florida Panhandle or Big Bend region sometime on Wednesday. So definitely a dangerous situation for folks there. Fortunately for us, we should miss the worst of the impacts. Still fairly impactful for us. It's going to mess up our weather for a couple days. 1 to 2 inches of rain for us with locally higher amounts possible. Flooding shouldn't be a huge concern, though. We're going to see that rain distributed over a couple of days. Wind, 35 to 45 mile per hour gusts over land. Sustained tropical storm force winds possible at the immediate coastline and out over the Gulf. Surf, 6 to 8 foot waves. Very dangerous waters. Do not go boating in the next couple days. Minor storm surge is possible for a couple low-lying coastal residents. That won't be as big of a problem for us, though, as for our neighbors to the north. Here's the GFS model showing a Category 2 or perhaps even Category 3 intensity hurricane making landfall on the Florida Big Bend region here or in the Panhandle sometime late on Wednesday. So if you have friends or family from Pensacola to Cedar Key, they need to get prepared now for the very worst. For, again, us here on the Suncoast, not as bad. Models have been consistently taking the worst of the storm to our west, and then also those heavier winds and the worst of the storm surge to our north as well. The European model also shows a dangerous hurricane, potentially of Category 2 intensity, maximum sustained winds up to as high as 100 miles per hour possibly on Wednesday, making landfall in the Big Bend region of the state and bringing some dangerous impacts there. This is all subject to change. Obviously, with any tropical system that's strengthening quickly, we have a lot of changes to watch. So keep up to date with that. We're going to keep updating this website frequently. We're also going to update all of our graphics as we get the very latest information. We get a new model output every 3 hours and a new National Hurricane Center forecast cone every 3 hours as well. So we're going to do our best over the next few days to keep you posted here on the very latest from the SNN Forecast Center. For now, 70 to 80% rain chances. Expect near washouts here on the Suncoast Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.